Welcome to the 30-Day Success Reboot Challenge. Over the next month, we're going to go on a journey together to change the way that you're trying to earn reliable online income. The reality is most people are trying to do it the wrong way, and in the next month, we're going to fix that for your online business. Many of you already know who I am, but for those who are new, I'll do a quick introduction. My name's Matthew Graves, and I've been working since 2001 helping online entrepreneurs find the best way to earn a reliable income. I've been full-time since 2004 when I quit my corporate job and turned my part-time business into my only source of family income. My specialty is traffic and conversion. I help people get attention from strangers, turn those strangers into friends, and those friends into customers. A lot has changed both online and offline since I started almost 20 years ago. There are a lot more people trying to make money online, and the competition is much tougher. Many people come online and think making money is easy. That's simply not true anymore. There's no such thing as get rich quick, either online or offline. You'll not hear me telling you about money being easy in some Bitcoin cryptocurrency or some new fad. You won't hear me saying that you can quit your job in 90 days. I'm going to be completely honest with you and show you how to create a real online business that you can count on for the long term. There's no shortcut to success, but if you work with me over the next 30 days, I'm going to show you the best way to get to your goal of making money online. The method I teach is the same way every successful online earner I know makes reliable income. It works for Kim Kardashian, and it works for friends of mine in very small and specialized industries. It can work for you too if you're willing to do the work and have patience. All successful businesses deliver value to their customers. If you do not add value to the lives of the people you serve, then you will never have a consistent business. You need a group of people who value what you do and who know, like, and trust you. Your audience is who you'll communicate with and recommend products to in order to earn money. Convincing strangers to buy a product from you is hard. It's much easier to get strangers to give you their email address and then use that to communicate with them. Over time, you build trust and get them to buy. For most people starting out online, the best way to build an audience is through an email list of subscribers. Email marketing has made me millions of dollars over the last 20 years, and it's the primary way which I communicate and make sales to my list. Email is the best way to get started because it requires the least amount of specialized skills and technology to start getting results. There's lots of other places where you can build audiences of people, like social media and YouTube. Email's easier than these because creating great social media or YouTube content requires the ability to be able to shoot and edit video, create beautiful pictures, as well as compelling written words. Email can be done simply with short, simple messages that connect you to your audience and get them to buy. We start on the path of becoming successful email marketers by first focusing on beginning to build our list. Every marketer starts with a list of 0. I remember in 2001 when I got my first subscriber. I knew this was the first step in building a business which would allow me the freedom of being able to work from home, travel, and spend more time with my family. Every new subscriber you add gets you closer and closer to having the influence it takes to make reliable income. I promise to be honest with you, so I'm not going to tell you that you're going to start making money with 50 people on your email list. Making consistent and reliable sales in the Make Money Online niche requires a good-sized email list. Your subscribers get a lot of emails. It takes a larger list because you're competing for their attention. That's the reality. I suggest you focus on building a list of at least 1,000 subscribers before you expect any reliable income. You'll make an occasional sale here and there with a smaller list, but consistent income requires a larger group of people to talk to. For reference, my list is currently about 25,000 active subscribers. How long it will take for you to add your first 1,000 subscribers varies widely from person to person. Primarily, it depends on how much time and money you have to devote to that goal. To understand the process of building an email list, I'm going to go over a couple of concepts quickly. In future days of the challenge, I'm going to be going into each of these items much more deeply and giving specific steps to make them work for you. You build your email list by getting people on the internet to visit a web page which offers to give them something they want in exchange for their email address. This page is called your offer or your lead capture page. For example, you may offer a free report which promises to teach them how to build an email list. They just need to give you their name and email address so you can send them the report. If they're interested in building a list, they may subscribe to your report and then they'll be added to your list. If you want to build your list faster, then you need to focus on getting more people to visit your webpage. You can either buy quality traffic for your site or you can earn it by trading your time for traffic. How much time or money you have to spend will determine the amount of visitors that you get and how quickly your list is built. If you're willing to spend a couple of $1,000s for traffic and you were buying it from a good source, you could have a 1,000-member email list in a few weeks. However, if you're trying to build your list completely for free, then it might take months of work to get 1,000 subscribers. It's different for every marketer. The path to your first 1,000 subscribers starts with subscriber number 1. And you can get that first subscriber this week by working in the 30-day Success Reboot Challenge. I'm going to give you everything you need to start building your list. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start building your list. There's no cost to you for the tools or the training I'm going to provide you. Each day I'm going to share here in this group the next step you need to take or knowledge you need to learn to accomplish your goal of having a profitable email-based affiliate marketing business. As I said earlier in the video, you need to be able to get a large number of visitors to come to your lead capture page in order to get started building your list. In tomorrow's lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in the fastest and easiest way possible. The more quality traffic you can generate, the faster your list will grow. So tune back in tomorrow for day 2 of the 30-day Success Reboot Challenge. And until then, remember to take action to supercharge your success. Thanks for watching.